For those who love being in their backyard, or enjoy going camping, the onset of colder weather can feel like a great disappointment. Cold weather can prevent us from enjoying the outdoors as much as we would like. However, an outdoor fire pit can help keep your outdoor spaces habitable during the colder months, or simply add to the ambience of your backyard. A fire pit also creates a feature for friends and family to gather around. The ideal fire pit will be more of a furniture item and will make your outdoor space a lot more snugly. This guide comprises the most elite outdoor fire pits of 2023, coupled with a detailed buyer's guide that will help you identify the good ones from the plethora of options available out there. Number 1. Outland Living Fireball 893. If you want a campfire in your yard without the ash or smoke, you should consider buying this propane-fueled fire pit. It contains natural lava rocks that make this fire pit feel like a real campfire. This product boasts high-quality steel construction and has a durable and rust-resistant stainless steel burner. The chrome valve knob makes controlling the flame and temperature easy. You can have a low flame on warm summer nights when you just want a little light, or use it during the fall to keep warm. Durable high-quality steel construction with protective enamel finish for dependable longevity, superior stainless steel burner and fasteners. Outland Living has outdoor living perfected so you can create the perfect ambience to share stories and good times. This CSA-approved and spark-free fire pit is safe to use when campfire bans are in place in most circumstances. However, you should always check your local restrictions. This product comes with a cover and carry kit. Number 2. Dragonfire Outdoor Fire Pit. The Dragonfire Outdoor Fire Pit is an excellent choice for a variety of outdoor activities. This unique fire pit has a double-walled construction that helps to ensure a smokeless bonfire experience. The included spark screen also provides excellent protection against hot sparks, helping to keep everyone safe while still allowing them to enjoy the warmth of the fire. The wood-burning fire pit bundle is great for camping trips, tailgating parties, outdoor picnics, and more. Using only drywood logs with the fire pit can also make it an eco-friendly option for your outdoor experiences. It is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a stylish, reliable, and smoke-free fire pit that will last for years. The 23.5-inch diameter makes it perfect for transporting, and its waterproof cover will help protect it against all types of weather. Not only is the fire pit perfect for staying warm, but it can also be used to grill and roast marshmallows, making it the ideal as the perfect addition to any outdoor gathering. Number 3. Outland Living Model 863 Portable Fire Pit. This outdoor fire pit runs on propane, so you do not need to pay or collect expensive firewood, or worry about you and your guests smelling of smoke. This fire pit can be easily adjusted using a durable knob to turn the flame up or down to suit the seasons and your location. Travel size fire pit is lightweight and portable, easily set up in minutes with no tools required. Lower profile increases the functional heat radius, while new Helios burner technology ensures a fuller and more natural flame. All-weather fireball, outdoor fire pits delivers a clean and smokeless flame with cozy warmth and beautiful evening ambience. Helios burner technology ensures a natural-looking flame. Combined with the natural lava rocks, you will feel like this fire pit has a natural fire. However, unlike natural fire, this fire pit will not produce sparks that could set fire to the things around it. It is portable and comes with a carry case. This product is made from durable steel and will last many years of use. Number 4. Outland Living Fireball 883. This fireball boasts a generous size. At 24 inches in diameter, it will make a great statement in any backyard. It is still compact enough to take camping and is a perfect accessory for traveling in a camper van. Moreover, since this fire pit is CSA approved, it can be used in many locations where there is a fire ban, thanks to its no-spark design. It runs on propane, which is an affordable and smoke-free fuel. This is an excellent choice for anyone with lung conditions, anybody who should not be near smoke. The natural lava creates a flickering effect, and you can adjust the flame height to create a perfectly relaxing ambience in a variety of locations. The body of this product is made from sturdy steel construction with a black chrome finish. Number 5. Outland Living Fireball 870. This fireball runs on propane, so you can enjoy owning a fire pit without smoke or ash. It is also spark-free, so you do not need to worry about any sparks descending into your backyard. Moreover, the fire pit is made using steel construction with a stainless steel burner. The best part about Outland Living's 870 Fireball? It is black chrome and will look stylish in any backyard and campsite. The natural lava rocks will flicker to add to the ambience. This product is portable and comes with a cover and carry kit. You can adjust the height of the flame using a knob, which will also increase and decrease the heat.